Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-AKX660 stereo system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this stereo is not working properly, maybe it's not connecting or the sound is not right or something like that, we can restore it to the way it was when it came out of the box. We'll need to set it up again. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling it or buying a used one or something like that, or for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start, we can just go ahead and restore the factory defaults on it. It's really easy to do. All you need to do is, first of all, you're going to unplug the stereo. Once it's unplugged, you got to wait a few minutes, at least 3 minutes. And then once that happens, we're going to come in and we're going to press and hold the power button with it still unplugged. And while still holding the power button, we're going to go ahead and plug the stereo back in. You're just going to continue to hold the power button until you'll see a bunch of dashes come up across the display of the screen, at which point you can let go, allow it to finish starting up, and it will start up in its factory configuration.